This is the Kincardine Times. It's Tuesday, January 28th, and I'm standing at the corner of Highway 21 and the 7th of Kincardine, and the blizzard continues. This is why the road is shut. Blowing and drifting snow. Whiteout conditions. It's pretty crazy out here. Blizzard. Just about every road is shut. The B-line's shut. Highway 21 is closed. It's a good time to stay at home, which is where I'm headed. Back home. The Kincardine Times out here in the blowing and drifting snow. It's the Kincardine Times capturing the weather.